Hi, I'm Paul Sundt, Segment Manager Oil and Gas Service in Energy Division.
And I'm Greg Parsons, Product Manager for mySpareParts.
And together, during the last 3 years, we have developed a series of tools and applications under the name of mySpareParts. And recently, we have launched a series of videos and recordings for how you and your customers best can utilize these applications. I would like to walk you through the steps on how to generate recommended spares and gap analysis reports through the myABB spare parts applications. To generate the necessary input to facilitate these reports, we have a special application called the mySparePart Manager. If you don't already have access, you can request access to sending an email to this email address that is available here, and you will get the necessary login credentials. Once you have received your credentials and you log in, you will have a landing page that looks like this. This is for a global super user, so there's a lot more sites available and also a lot more information or capabilities available. You, as a normal user, will have the Assigned Sites tab only available. Once you are in the Assigned Sites, you will go to the filter menu on your top right corner and you will select the specific site in question. In this case, I will ask Greg to go to the FSM test site that we have available, and you will double click this. And you now will see all the information that we have available for this specific site. There are 4 tabs available. We start with the Install Base tab, and this is a replica of the ServIS information, which includes all the installations that we have captured in ServIS, the count and the product classifications of each one of these. The second tab is the Parts Association, and this is where you build the relationship between the spare parts that is associated with each of the install base items. We have a complete separate video on the details on how to do this, so I will not go through the detail in this recording. The third tab is the inventory, and if you have watched the analyzer video, you will know that that is one way of capturing the stocked inventory that the customer has. There are 2 more alternatives. One is to use a similar download-upload functionality that is available here, and you can also add individual items through this plus icon that Greg was highlighting. And finally, we have the Reports tab, and here you can see all the historical reports that has been generated for this specific site. I'll ask you kindly to pay attention to the first one on the top. There's a gap analysis report that has been the status final of the date 17th of April 2024. We also go down and find the latest final recommended parts report, which has the date 18th of August 2023. If I ask Greg now to navigate back to the myABB mySparePart widget and select the same site, in this case our test site, you will also recognize these 2 dates, that the latest recommended spare parts report, this date, and the gap analysis, this date, is now available for the customer to see, and the download tabs are available here for that action.
I hope you find value in these series of videos. Please contact us with questions, opportunities, or follow-ups.
I ask you please to watch the additional videos that we have available on hand and how to use the other mySparePart tools and applications that we have. So thank you very much.